Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be reviewing Indomie Mi Goreng noodles, the satay flavored and the Rendeng spicy beef flavor. Without any further ado, I prepared them earlier. So this is the satay flavor. I'm going to give this a try. Oh, I notice the noodle's not that soft. I don't taste much of satay at all. I mean, the flavor is kind of mucky in some ways, but overall, it doesn't taste like satay at all. Let's try the Rendeng spicy beef flavor. As you can see, it's kind of well coated, even though the flavor can be a bit mucky sometimes, but I'll give this one a shot. That's a kind of an interesting beef flavor. It's kind of a bit aromatic, but overall, I mean, it tastes kind of interesting. I mean, it's more interesting than the original flavored packet. So, yeah, I mean, I don't mind giving this one a try. So, yeah.